Hello students, hope you all are safe and fine. In our last classes we have discussed about the sense of touch and sense of smell. These senses are very useful senses. They are more developed in the people who cannot see or hear because they have to depend more on these senses compared to the people who can see and hear nicely. That means that these senses are very strong, very sharp, very sensitive in those type of people. So, disabled people. If we say that the people who are visually challenged, or we can say visually disabled or impaired, they can read and write even while using the sense of touch. Visually impaired means the people who are partially or completely blind. So, as they are blind, they cannot see the world around us. So, how can they write and read? They can write and read by using their sense of touch. In the year 1824, a 15-year-old boy called Louis Braille invented one script that is called Braille script. It is mostly for the people who are unable to see, or we can say for blind people. In this script, the numbers and the letters of the alphabets, they are in a raised form, in the raised dots, and the people can read and write while touching these raised dots. So, there are some patterns, and while touching these patterns, the people can easily judge that what are the alphabets and what is written on the paper. So, it is to help the people who are blind. Same way, the government has taken many steps to encourage the people or to help the people who are physically disabled. Means maybe one or another sense organ may not be working properly. So, there are many programs for them, there are many facilities for them, and government is always trying to support them in all the ways. For example, if we see, there is a news channel where there is one program on DD National where they used to tell the news in the sign language. So, it is mostly for the people who cannot hear and speak. So, generally the people who cannot hear are also unable to speak, or vice versa. So, that means, to tell them about the world around us, about the different types of news, they use a sign language and they read the news in the sign language to make these people also know the world, know what are the happenings going around. So, the same way, if we see on the notes, there are specially embossed shapes, or we can say geometrical shapes. Geometrical shapes means like a circle, square, rectangle, that are imposed on the currency, so that when the blind people touch them, they can easily realize the value of the note. So, on the currency note, we can find different shapes and that are also embossed, so that when they touch them, they can easily realize, they can easily know the value of the note. So, children, it is very important to take care of the people who are physically disabled, because they have one or more another sense organ not working properly. That means they are lagging sometimes. But if I tell you that morally they are very strong, if one or other sense organ may not function properly, then definitely some of the sense organs may be more strong compared to us. We are normal and our sense organs are functioning normally, but for them some sense organs are very strong compared to us. But students, we should understand their needs, we should understand their problems, we should work on their problems. There are many NGOs. NGOs means non-governmental organizations that always work to help these type of people, disabled people. If you might have read about Helen Keller also. Though she was herself blind, deaf, dumb, but she devoted her life for the people, disabled people, to help these type of disabled people, for serving them, and she became a great scholar also. Same way, we should also have some sympathy for them. We should make them realize that they are not less than anyone and they can also achieve success in their lives. For that, it is very important we should respect them, we should understand their problems, and we should help them whenever they need our help. For example, you can see a person on the wheelchair must be crossing a road, so you can help that person to cross the road. Same way, a person is a blind person with the help of stick want to cross the road. So in that way also you can help them. There are many other ways, like you can help them. If you have ever met any person who is disabled, you have a talk with them, you discuss with them what are the problems they used to face. We are very normal, we have all our sense organs working properly, so we cannot realize what is the pain they are going through. So it is important to respect them and to help them. So what we learned from this chapter, we have seen that our sense organs help us to feel the world around us. We have learnt about the sense of touch, that our skin helps us to touch, and internally if we see about the functioning, then they all are connected through the nerve endings. These nerve endings send the signal to the brain interprets the message and gives us the information what to do. So we have discussed about the sense of smell also, that the nose help us to smell. Then we have discussed about the people with disabilities, the people who are not able to see the world, who are not able to hear, who are not able to speak, and there are many facilities are provided to help them so that they can also get success in their lives. They can also live a better life. We can see that like Braille script, then we have this news reading programs on national channel, then currency notes. They all are to facilitate the people, disabled people, to overcome the problems. Now what we can do on our part? We can respect them, we can help them, we can give them more opportunities in their lives. We can help them to develop themselves so that they can also do better in their lives. So that is our chapter, feeling around with eyes shut. Hope you have understood the chapter very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.